Welcome to ScoopBuddy fam. Today, we'll reveal the secrets to scaling your business efficiently. If you're ready to take your company to the next level without sacrificing quality, stick around as we break down essential strategies for growth. Let's dive in. 1. Focus on your core strengths. The first secret to scaling efficiently is to focus on your core strengths. Identify what your business does best and double down on it. Don't try to expand in every direction at once. Instead, specialize and be the go-to expert in your industry. This way, you can streamline operations and deliver unmatched value to your customers. Remember, successful scaling comes from a solid foundation built on what you do best. 2. Automate and optimize efficiency is key, and that's where automation comes in. Automate repetitive tasks to free up time and energy for your team to focus on growth initiatives. This could mean using software for customer relationship management, automated marketing tools, or even AI-driven analytics. Don't just automate, optimize your processes regularly to ensure your operations remain as lean and effective as possible. Automation allows you to scale without multiplying costs or effort. 3. Build a strong team culture. Scaling a business is not just about numbers, it's about people. Build a strong team culture that inspires and retains top talent. As you scale, hiring strategically becomes critical. Bring on people who are not only skilled, but also share your company's values and vision. Remember, happy and motivated employees are more productive, which helps your business grow sustainably. Invest in team development and foster an environment of innovation and collaboration. 4. Focus on customer retention. Many businesses make the mistake of focusing solely on acquiring new customers. However, customer retention is equally, if not more, important. Loyal customers provide a steady revenue stream and can become brand ambassadors for your company. Offer personalized experiences, maintain excellent customer service, and gather feedback to improve continually. Keeping your current customers happy costs significantly less than acquiring new ones and provides a stable foundation for growth. 5. Use data to make informed decisions. Another key secret is data-driven decision-making. Collect and analyze data to understand what's working and what's not. This could be customer behavior data, financial performance metrics, or marketing analytics. The insights you gain will help you adjust your strategies in real time, ensuring you're always on the right path. Businesses that scale efficiently rely on data, not just intuition, to guide their growth. 6. Manage cash flow wisely. As your business grows, managing cash flow becomes more complex yet more crucial. Keep a close eye on your expenses and ensure that you have enough cash reserves for unexpected challenges. Consider reinvesting a portion of your profits into growth initiatives, but don't overextend yourself. Smart financial planning and budget management are essential to keep your business running smoothly while scaling up. Additional info: sustainable growth. Ensure your business scales sustainably. Rapid growth is exciting but can backfire if quality suffers. Balance expansion with a strong infrastructure and strategic planning to maintain long-term stability and resilience. Always invest in systems that can handle increased demand and regularly review your processes to make sure they remain efficient. Sustainable growth keeps your brand strong and your team motivated. Scaling your business efficiently isn't easy, but with the right approach, it's entirely possible. Focus on your strengths, automate processes, build a motivated team, prioritize customer retention, make data-driven decisions, and manage your finances wisely.